Hi guys, if you've seen my unboxing of the November Loot Crate, which is combat themed, you probably saw this Blizzard Cute But Deadly Series 1 figure box, which I did get in that Loot Crate. I pulled Kerrigan, which was this one right here. Thankfully, I got another box here from another source, so I get a second chance for another figure. Will I get bad luck and get Kerrigan again, or will I get something different, like a Murloc? We'll have to see right now. It's a sword. So I think I got Arthas, but there's two. Will I get the one that appears 5 in 36 boxes, or will I get the super rare mystery one that appears 1 in 36? I got the original one, which is still good. Ooh. Wow! Time out. Wow, I wish I could take a whiff of this. It smells like berries. My god. Talk about freshness in the package. Don't mind me. I got a good nose. I'm gonna pull the sword out because that's also in the plastic. Ooh, that's a nice looking sword too. Here's the sword. I can get it in good focus. And of course, here is Arthas. Not sure if he's the real Lich King because I played World of Warcraft for about 4 years. The last time I played was back in 2010, so I'm not too familiar with it now. Yeah, get that sword in there. Alright. Huh, I think there was supposed to be a base, too. Right, there it is. It fell out. There's the base. There we go. Now let's get him on the base. His foot. Put your left foot in and leave your right foot alone, because you're getting on this base. Nice. Also, I like that jewel on his helmet. He's a nice little sparkle. And the cape has a nice, like, curve to it, too. Too bad he can't move, though. He's just a standstill figure. But, there you go. That is Arthas. He appears 5 times, or his odds of getting him is 5 in every 36 boxes. Kerrigan, the one I got from my Loot Crate box, appears 6 in 36, or if you simplify it, it would be 1 in every 6 boxes. I think this is my favorite one of the two, because he looks much nicer, he has more detail. Kerrigan was a pain because she had the wings, and I just had a hard time getting those in on her back. Sweet. Alright, I'll add you to the collection, and that is gonna do it. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Take care.